Hey everybody. Um, so for this one, it's activity 11. We were supposed to note or post 2 to 3 notes about what we thought was interesting, noteworthy in the Brands and Children article. And so something that I noticed that I thought was kind of interesting is I've never really noticed about like how places like your fast food places or like just different brands try to really market children. Everything's really marketed towards them, and they're usually the foods that are high in sugar, fat, salt, stuff like that. And just reading through this article kind of made me realize that, like, wow, it really seems to be that way. And another thing that I thought was pretty interesting talking about in the article was that they were mentioning how there's a lot of programs and activities that really push for kids to be active and get them moving. And one of the comments on the article was talking about how maybe getting kids active is not the only answer to childhood obesity, but rather um, educating children on what they should feed their bodies, put into their bodies, and that not you need to we just need to educate them about what they're eating. Is that is yes, physical activity is great, you should do it, but for childhood obesity it's may not be the only answer. So I thought that point was pretty interesting as well.